Some Ecodiscs at Ibis in Bromley. Here we are at 3. They've put a new voice. They've put a new voice in there.
Doors closing.
The voice has been changed though, it's not the original voice. There's no year label on it, so I can't say when this was installed. There's your capacity.
Ground floor.
Here we are back at ground.
Doors opening.
There's 2 lifts. There we go.